In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable browser notifications on Google Photos. If you use Google Photos on your desktop, turning on browser notifications can help you stay updated on important activity without constantly checking the website. These alerts can let you know about things like shared albums, shared photos, comments and activity, memories and highlights, and even backup or sync alerts, depending on your settings. To get started, open Google Photos on your desktop browser and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the gear icon to open Settings. Inside the Settings area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Browser Notifications. When you see it, turn that option on. This is the main Google Photos setting that allows browser-based alerts, so it's a good first step. Next, you'll want to make sure your browser itself is also allowing notifications for the site. In the address bar, click the lock icon, or in some browsers, the Site Controls icon located to the left of the website address. A menu will open with site permissions. Find notifications in that list and change it to Allow. After that, refresh the Google Photos tab so the updated permission takes effect properly. At this point, Google Photos may show a notification permission pop-up in the browser. If that appears, simply click Allow. That confirms to the browser that Google Photos is permitted to send you notifications going forward. If notifications were blocked earlier and things still aren't working, you may need to fix it directly in Chrome settings. Open Chrome and go to the Notification Settings page. In the section called Not Allowed to Send Notifications, look for Google Photos. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Allow. This removes the block and lets notifications come through again. After making these changes, it's a good idea to refresh Google Photos one more time and keep the tab signed in. If you still don't see alerts, double-check both places: the browser notifications setting inside Google Photos and the notification permission inside your browser. Both need to be enabled for everything to work smoothly. Once set up, Google Photos can keep you informed in real time, which is especially useful if you collaborate on shared albums or want quick updates about new activity. And that's how to enable browser notifications on Google Photos.